In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hugging Face LLMs in N8N. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your workflow, either an existing one or a new one, and then you can either add a first step or just right-click and add a node. Once you do this, look for LLM, and then you will see the basic LLM chain over here. Add this in, and then the first thing you have to do, of course, is over here where it says chat messages, you'll have to add something in. So I'm just gonna add a prompt over here. Just for this instance, I'm just gonna type in "you are a gym bro," so just something random. Of course, you'll do whatever you want to do because it's gonna be your workflow, but for me, this is gonna be it. After you've done this, this is the first part done, and then you have to go to the model. Down here, you have to add a model, and you have to scroll to the very bottom where you should see Hugging Face Inference Model. So if you don't see it, just search for it up here, just Hugging, and then it's going to be over here. Click on it like that, and then the first thing you're going to have to do is you'll have to select your credentials. Now, it says credential to connect with, and then you'll have to select it, click over here, and then create new credential. Now, to be able to get this, you'll have to put in your API key. And to get the API key, this is how you have to do it. Now, you have to go to huggingface.co, and then you have to sign into your account or create one if you don't have it yet. Then click on your account profile icon, top right, and then here you can see a bunch of things, and down here it says access tokens. Inside the access tokens, click on create new token. Now, if this is kind of grayed out for you and you can't click it, it's because you haven't verified your email yet, so make sure you do that first. And after you've done that, click on create new token. Then give it a name over here. I'm just gonna go test, and then where it says inference, make sure you check all of these three. Now, once you've done that, scroll to the bottom, and it should say create token over here, and then you'll be able to see your API key over here on your screen. Just copy this, okay? So as you can see, it says you have to keep it somewhere safe. You'll not be able to see it again. So I'm just gonna copy this one. Make sure you don't share it. I'm gonna delete this one after this video. Copy it, click on done. And then after you do this, you can see it over here. Go back to your workflow and paste it inside here where it requires the API key. Then click on save. And then once that's done, over here, it says right now it can connect. So I don't know why that is. I'm going to click on retry over here. There may be some settings set in here that aren't good, but for you, it should work. It worked for me previously when I essentially just did it. So if it doesn't work, just refresh it, copy it again, and then go ahead in here and then try saving it again and see if that's going to work. It should work. Right now, I'm not sure why it didn't, but it should work for you. Just try it out. Now, after you do this, you'll of course have to put in your GPT model as well. So of course this doesn't have to be a GPT model, it could also be something different. So for example, you can go to Hugging Face over here, click on models up top, and then you should find a model that you want to use. So for me, I'm just gonna use, for example, let's say we're gonna use this one or this one just for this instance. You want to click on a specific model and copy its name. So you can see the name up here, click on this copy button, it's gonna say copied, go back here, paste in the name of your model, and then that's gonna be the first part basically done, okay? So of course in here, as I said, in case this API key is not working for you, in case the API key is not essentially working the way it intended, just try to essentially do it a few times. For me, it worked the first time earlier when I tried it, but of course, if it doesn't work for you, and if it says unauthorized, just make sure you can talk to this assistant over here. I'm not sure why this is happening right now, but it should be working as intended when you do it as I showed you for the first time at least, okay? It may be because I actually have more API keys connected. And then once you do this, go out of here, and then you'll be able to see whenever you initiate, it's gonna essentially just start working and your model is gonna do whatever you wanted it to do. Now for me, I didn't actually tell it to do anything, but it's gonna work perfectly whatever you tell it to do and whatever you want to achieve. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.